In this video I will show you a useful technique to massage the arms of your baby. This part of the routine has been kept really simple just to allow you to have an easy flow. The moves are very similar to the leg routine. You're going to start with smooth strokes down the outside of the arm. You're going to hold the opposite arm in your hand and you're going to stroke down the outside. And then, if you can, try to do the inside of the arm. Switching hands to do this. If your baby is at the earlier stage in its development, it may not open its arms up so much. And then you do a C stroke. This involves you clasping the arm between your thumb and your forefinger and bringing it down the arm, making sure that you relieve pressure as you pass over the elbow joint. And then you repeat the C stroke down the inside of the arm. And now repeat this on the other arm. Using an open hand, do long sweeping strokes down the outside of the arm and long sweeping strokes down the inside of the arm. Next you'll do the C stroke using your thumb and your forefinger down the outside of the arm. And follow this with the C stroke down the inside of the arm. To finish off the arm routine, use your thumb to make small circles in the palm of the hand of the baby. Try to circle around the whole palm. Your baby may want to keep their fists closed at this point, but try and tease it open. And you finish off with the fingers and a nice nursery rhyme. This little piggy went to market, and this little piggy stayed at home. This little piggy had roast beef, and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went to sleep. And finally you clasp the hand between yours. This will warm the hand and it will increase the circulation. Repeat this on the other hand. Again, small circles with your thumb and finishing off on the fingers with the nursery rhyme. Finally we reconnect the arms with the rest of the body by making long sweeping strokes from the arms over the shoulders, down the body and down the legs. And that is the arm routine for your baby. I hope you like this video. There's a couple more I've got, so make sure you check them out on how to massage your baby. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to stay up to date with my newest releases, and I'll see you next time.